In the heart of Rajasthan lies Jodhpur, the iconic Blue City. Its vibrant terraces, once brushed with ultramarine pigments, quietly carried the legacy of Lakshmi Neel, the humble beginning of what would become a multi-generational journey of trust and transformation. The early decades of our journey reflected simplicity, quality, and purpose. As the new millennium dawned, our vision evolved. We entered the world of wood adhesives, not just to manufacture but to innovate. And in doing so, we proudly pioneered one of India's first D3 water-resistant wood adhesives, setting a benchmark in strength and performance. This marked the birth of Stark Adhesives, a brand built to empower carpenters, OEMs, and furniture makers with dependable solutions. From fine furniture to intricate laminations, Stark became the bond behind countless creations. Our foundation stands on the values of Mr. D.D. Lohia, whose principles of perseverance built our roots, and Mr. Amit Lohia, whose passion for excellence drives us forward. Their shared belief, growth must uplift not just businesses but people.
With the help of German scientists, we developed a very good variety of D3 product which is finding market in more than 20 states of India.
Every product we create is built on meticulous research, advanced formulation, and a constant drive to solve real-world problems of woodworking.
At Stark, we walk that belief daily, with eco-conscious products and women-led teams at the core of our operations. In our R&D labs, each formula undergoes global standard testings from ASTM, DIN, JIS to BIS because quality isn't claimed, it's proven. With brands like Stark, Artcall, Richcall, Artfix, and many more, we offer trusted solutions across edge joining, parquet flooring, and post forming. Rooted in tradition, driven by science, inspired by people, Stark Adhesives, bonding legacies, building futures.